na merong
Yes, it's already FDA approved. And it's not considered a medicine, it's a food supplement as registered in the FDA. And of course, nakakalan certified na rin yan. And it's being manufactured by an ISO certified malaking company na nagpa-manufacture. Alright, so we import all the ingredients from France and the US. So, and pinapag-capture natin.
Sir John, ano
ulo lang ang nakukuha.
Oh, yeah.
So, ito yung necessary na no?
Definitely. If there's a way that we can reach out to people like her or even Doc Minio, I'll be more than glad to assist her.
and even Ate Gina rin.
Yes. I saw yung pangalan ngayon na sabi ko kasi lahat naman ng mga kaibigan natin sa industriya na mga popular celebrities din and they all have these challenges pero wala kasi walang alternative. Pero dito we go back to the roots. Kasi pag ang tinira natin, yung root cause niya. Remember, again, I'm going to go back to the premise ng biohacking. Alright? Lahat ng sakit, alright, 85 to 90% is not, like, it's not an illness in galing sa inahawakan. It's really coming from stress. Alright? It's from a stuck emotion. So if we can release that, magsiselfie yung body ng instant, sobrang bilis.
Kasi automatically para lahat ng mga gamot, nililisis na yung
Yes. But again, that can be traced again to an energy blockage. Kaya nagkaroon ng autoimmune.
Yung halimbawa po kasi pula pa lang, gaya ng kay Ate Gina, bukol lang yung
Yes, mas madali. Mas madali. Kasi pag minsan pumupunta sa amin, well, we've experienced stage 4, may malalaki na talagang breast na bukol. Pero magugulat kayo kasi biglang lumiliit, balik nila. But it takes a lot more sessions than just one.
Pero di ba nagka-cancer?
Di ba na mag-reach out please kina Doc Ong,
Yes, actually, nung nangyari yung kay Doc Ong, although siguro na-busy lang yung kaibigan ko, I reached out to my friend, so hindi ko na na-follow, but if there's somebody, you know these people probably, these are also popular, but then again, if they can come reach out to our center, I'll be more than that personally facilitating in helping them.
like si Ate Gina naman siyang
Why not? Yeah, why not? Lahat this is actually, sabi ko nga, di ba, yung Monday and Friday libre na nga, di ba, napupunta yung mga Pinoy dun sa center. Why not even these people? Kasi I believe that, alright, everybody deserves a chance at least. Pero majority kasi na nangyayari, nagre-resort pa rin tayo dun sa dati na nating alam na yun lang, nakakahon lang tayo dun sa dati nating alam. We have not tried alternate methods.
which ano po pwede i-recommend ng mga product nyo para doon sa mga nabanggit kay Chris, ano bang product for Chris, ano ba yung para kay Doc Ong, at saka ano din yung para kay Ate Gina?
It won't just be a product. There will be a certain practices that I will have to teach them, like for example, breath work and all these other practices. Kasi kumbaga, when we help heal people or alleviate yung mga sakit ng tao, hindi siya isang modality. We use different modalities. Kumbaga kay Batman, mahirap kasi isa lang yung gamit mo eh. Di ba si Batman hindi natatalo kasi yung sinturon niya, lagi mayroon siyang, marami siyang pack. Kung ano yung kailangan, sasabit siya. So ganun din. Pag hindi namin nakuha dito, we have, alright, and we do a combination of all of this para mas mabilis yung healing period. Yeah.
Last question na po, nagkaroon po ba kayo ng class sa mga medical experts regarding doon sa mga exercise, sa mga
Surprisingly, ang medicine kasi ngayon, tinatanggap na rin nila ito eh. Dati hindi. If you go to hospitals ngayon, meron na division ng hospital ngayon that are also providing alternative na rin eh. And it's slowly being accepted already. Kaya meron din may mga pumunta na dyan na doctors. Alright, just 2 weeks ago there was a doctor who went. Nagulat sila eh when they tried it. Alright, kasi meron siyang instant alleviation of pain. malaking example namin dyan is, if you are in pain, you come to the office when frequencies are used, okay, siguro, ano lang eh, sometimes 2 minutes, 5 minutes of exposure to EMF, may pumupunta dyan, sir, ang pain ko na level 8, bago umalis sa center namin, 0 na. We had may lola pumunta dyan, how old? 80? 82 years old yung interview mo, di ba? 80. Binitbit ng tatlong kamag-anak, parang kinarga. Hindi na makalakad, hindi na lang sa center ko. Magugulat kayo, pinaupo doon, tinapatan namin ng PEMF, siguro 10 to 15 minutes, magugulat kayo. Alright? Tumayo yung lola, nawala yung sakit, lumakad po. Nag-MRT. Isipin yung pinumat kayo kasi wala. 1 year na siya. 1 year na siya hindi nakakalakad. So that's why I call it the miracles protocol. Because for people, okay, parang hindi na nila alam yung papaliwanag nila. Paano nangyari ito na, you know, and some would just simply call it, it's a miracle. Yes, because we're using Pycnogenol, no? Personally, ako nag-request na gawing gold yung capsule. Because when you go to the website of Pycnogenol in France, okay, makikita nyo, it's the gold standard in all French maritime pipe work ingredients. Kasi when you talk about French maritime pipe work, hindi lang isa ang gumagawa. Marami ang nagpa-farm yan. Pero Horfag, which is the, kumbaga sa mga bag, ito yung high-end ng Hermes or Louis Vuitton ng French Maritime. Okay, kilala kasi ako eh. Ayoko mapaya. Siyempre, meron akong reputation as the #1 coach ng Philippines in success. Hindi ako gagawa ng something na, ano lang, di ba, kasi sino pangalan ko or something like, para na may maipagbigay ako. When I do things kasi, I want it to be superior. Eh, kasi tinuturo ko eh. I only want to give the best. So, pinili namin yung best source talaga. Even the beta-glucan there, it's not ordinary beta-glucan. It's well-known. Branded po yan. Alright? Pag